lots of activity out here in the Schuster family courtyard over the last 2 weeks. We've started to put up our block wall over here, which will eventually turn into the Wall of Blessings. All members who have donated $10,000 or more have the opportunity to have their name etched into the Wall of Blessings as a permanent reminder of the success and stability of Temple Bat Yam. Another highlight of what we got going on over here is brand new PVC piping underneath the ground. No more leaks, no more floods. Nice even level courtyard, we love it. Mixing concrete, putting up more bricks. This wall is gonna be 10.5 feet tall. Nice protected courtyard for everyone. So the approach to the courtyard is also coming together, and I want to show you that. This will be a new poured path that'll lead us right in to what will be a padded security entrance. Again, doing this project for a couple reasons. One, beautification of the campus, but also, and perhaps more importantly, the security of our members as they enter. So you'll follow this path down right here. And about right here, you'll be greeted by one of our security guards who will welcome you to the campus and show you in through a set of double doors leading into the Schuster family courtyard. Again, one of the first things you'll see when you enter a courtyard, which is a piece of history here, is the Temple Bat Yam sign that has been here since our beginning. This whole wall will be repainted and re-highlighted to make sure that that pops from the rest of the campus. And this is what the beginning of a courtyard looks like. Maybe more the middle of the beginning of a courtyard. But again, lots of activity over the last 3 weeks. We're really excited to show you what comes next. It goes without saying, as usual, lots of people I need to thank. The team out here that's working the construction. I need to thank Brian and Bonnie Jeanette, our architects. I need to thank our construction committee. I need to thank our capital campaign committee. I got to thank all of our members. Lastly, as many of you know, April 16th, we're looking forward to welcoming some of you back to live in-person services in the Warsaw Amphitheater. Really excited to get you guys back on campus. Great to speak with you. Look forward to doing so again soon. Have a good one.